Hey there, this is Amanda with NWTC at Marinette campus, and we're here to take a tour of the Trades and Engineering Technology Department. This area houses programs such as Electromechanical Technology, Automotive Maintenance Technology, Welding, and CNC Machining. Our Trades Department here at campus incorporates the needs, skills, and technology most commonly seen in our community industries. To start our tour, we're here at the Electromechanical Technology Lab. This is where students will work towards an associate's degree that encompasses maintenance and repair to equipment like drive systems, position sensors, PLCs, cabling, and automatic production equipment. Work on our mobile modular training systems, a patented NWTC product ready to help with your flexible learning. Be sure to check in with your advisor for opportunities for curriculums that are similar to these. Our 2+2 transfer opportunity is available right here in Marinette. Be sure to check in with your advisor. Next, we're going to check out our Automotive Maintenance Technology Lab. Here, students will learn and diagnose vehicle malfunctions, perform basic repairs, and recommend or conduct regular vehicle maintenance. The skills and experience learned here at the Marinette campus can take your education to the next level. Be sure to check in with your advisor for help. Continuing right down the hall, we're going to check out our welding lab. Our welding program prepares students for employment in a variety of settings. All of our students graduating and leaving this program have the confidence and skills necessary to be successful in the community. To end our tour today, we are going to check out our CNC machining lab. As you will notice, the machinery here closely replicates what you'll see in the community industries. As a computer numerical technician or programmer, you play an important role in today's manufacturing environments. Operators run from start to finish, utilizing skills learned and applicable to everyday employment settings. So from start to finished product, all our students are going to learn the skills necessary to be successful in the industry. The Trades and Engineering Technology Department here at the NWTC Marinette campus provides an education with a wealth of opportunity. Be sure to give our campus a call for information and details towards your program of interest.